What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little junkyard adventure. The other day when I picked up these door panels over here, I got them out of a 2000 Chevy Suburban, but it had all leather interior and the seats were in pretty decent shape. So I think I'm going to be picking those up. I also need to get some carpet. We might get that today, might not. And also need to get a rear seat as well that's matching with the front seats. So let's head over to the LKQ in Riverside and see what we could pick up. Okay guys, we're here, came to the junkyard today, to the LKQ in Riverside. So this is the called the LKQ Hilltop in Riverside. It sits on the side of a mountain, but we're gonna try to find some seats and some carpet today. Hopefully we can get that done. So let's find some parking. This is a pretty big yard. I'll give you guys a tour. Alright guys, and our destination is going to be way up the hill, but I'll show you where we're going. That's the first tier, well, all the imports. We got the middle tier with all the smaller SUVs. And up there is the very top tier with all the big trucks. Okay guys, we made it to the top. This is where they have all the big trucks, SUVs, all that good stuff. So we're looking for some seats and some carpet. I was here earlier during the week, so we'll see if we can't find that Suburban. Alright guys, these are the seats that I found. So we have the electric seats obviously, and also heated butt warmers. So they're both here. That one's a little bit tore up, but it's better than what I have, so I think we're gonna go with it. Alright guys, so it shouldn't be too hard to take out. We have a couple of screws here, and that should come off, and I'll be able to access the bolts. Alright, after those screws are gone, this little plate comes down. Okay, we need this. Set that aside. Then we have these bolts. Alright, and these are 15 mil bolts. And then same thing goes on the inside. We have one there and one back there. Okay guys, all the bolts are out, and just tilt your seat back. And we're at a junkyard, so we want the connectors. We're just gonna clip these off, and it's out. We just have to get that one and see what we got with the back seat. Okay guys, I got all the bolts out except for one, and this driver's side door is no longer opening, so we got to get them from in here. Okay guys, same thing with this one, all the bolts are out. And again, clip the wires. And it should be free to come out. Okay guys, we also got the third row seat, which will work for the second row, but this one's still very, very clean compared to what I have, and I have both seats there. So that's it. Let's get this out of here and get going. Okay guys, these are the seats that we picked up. That one has a little bit of a tear, but it's better than what I have. So those will be going in the Tahoe. Okay guys, I'm back home now, and just to show you, I got everything working. So I just hooked it up to one of my batteries. Goes up, down. It'll go front and back. And this is also pretty cool. It has a lumbar support. So if you look here, I'll push that button and it'll start pumping out. It has a little airbag built into it. And then of course you can deflate it. I don't know if that comes up very well, but that works pretty good. And it also has a seat warmer. So you have a seat warmer for low and then high, which that works as well. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. I paid about 41 bucks for each one of these. These actually came out of the same, it was a 2000 Chevy Suburban that I got the door panels out of. So it's a matching set, same color, which matches what I have now. It's not perfect, but I could live with that versus what I currently have. So yeah guys, that'll be it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, that's going to be a wrap for this one. As you saw in the video, we went to the LKQ Hilltop Junkyard in Riverside. It is on the side of a mountain. In order to get to all the big trucks, you got to take a bit of a hike. Once you do get up to the very top where all the Chevy big trucks are, you're pretty winded if you got to carry all your tools, so I didn't get to get that on film. But yeah guys, those seats will be going in the Junkyard Tahoe, or the Tahoe that I got that's pretty destroyed, as you guys have seen. So we got these seats, new power seats, or new to me, that are in decent shape. They got all the adjustments for them, up, down, side to side, all that good stuff, and also have butt warmers. But that's a plus. They're a little bit torn. The driver's side one is, but it's common. More wear and tear on the driver's side as always. But I can live with that. So we got the seats. I got all the door panels. I got the rear door bar and skins. I am waiting to see if I could get some panels. I need some fenders. I need some doors and barn doors for the rear. So if any of you guys have anything, someone did leave me a comment or hit me up and told me that they were going to part out a Suburban they had. So I'm very interested in that kind of stuff. So if you guys have anything that you guys are parting out and it's white, that would save me a ton of trouble. I can find some different colored parts, but I don't want that. I'd rather get a stock white door, stock white doors, stock white barn doors, and stock white fenders and hood and whatnot. It just makes life a whole lot easier that way. I only got to do a little bit of body work on the back, paint it, and call it a day. But it's coming together pretty quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at LowLifeYoung, I do upload a lot of pictures before I'm able to upload to YouTube. And as always, guys, I'll catch you very shortly on the next one.